Did you know that in your ACT lab, there is a smart board that has both a whiteboard function as well as it will allow you to log into a site on the computer and annotate it and then save it and maybe use it in your lectures? Today I'm going to walk you through a couple of steps of the functions that you have on the whiteboard as well as how to bring up a website and then annotate it using the whiteboard functions. So for starters, you will click on the whiteboard button, and if your computer is already booted up, it will bring up the page that you're currently looking at. Notice on the side you have all the features, including a pen, eraser, and options for saving down at the bottom. You can mark up the site with any color that you wish. You can then even erase the marks that you made. Rather erase. And so this is very useful if you want to use a worksheet that you have saved as a PDF or a Word document and work along with your class. After you're done making all of your annotations, there are other functions that will allow you to save the work that you have just done. For example, there's the capture button. By clicking capture, you're able to save the image that's on the screen with all of the changes that you've made to it. And if you choose to save it, you can save it to your thumb drive or you can save it to the computer. And you have the option of saving to a USB drive, which can be inserted in the side underneath the buttons on the panel. Okay. If you don't want to use this with a computer and you don't need to access a website, you can simply use it as a whiteboard by clicking the toggle at the top of your options menu. You get a clean whiteboard with all of the same options that you had before for annotating. So you can write notes, as well as upload items such as images, and you can toggle back and forth between different screens. You can add a screen. Add a third screen. And also delete items that you've already created by clicking the X on the screen, and you'll have all of the images below. And as with the annotations that you made on the website, you are also able to save these or print them by choosing amongst the options that are on the keypad. You can also have a split screen. I'm going to delete both of these. Okay, and okay. And at the bottom of the whiteboard, I will choose the option to have a split screen. The split screen option allows you to have a website alongside the whiteboard and use both functions at the same time. So I can still make annotations here. Oh, no, I can't. And write on this side here. You can also use the mouse at the computer and notice that it will just change the screen on the screen on the right. This was just a quick start reference guide for you, just to kind of whet your appetite and get you started. Be looking forward to longer tutorials on the different functions of the whiteboard and the screen capture functions of the smartboard.